MetLife Quote Portal. The MetLife Quote Portal is an online platform designed to help individuals and businesses easily obtain insurance quotes for various coverage types, including life, dental, vision, disability, and auto insurance. This user-friendly portal allows customers to compare different plans, explore pricing options, and customize their insurance policies based on their specific needs. By providing a quick and convenient way to access quotes, the MetLife Quote Portal simplifies the process of selecting the right insurance coverage. 1. What is the MetLife Quote Portal? The MetLife Quote Portal is a digital tool that allows users to generate instant insurance quotes by entering basic personal and coverage details. It eliminates the need for lengthy consultations, giving individuals a fast and efficient way to estimate their insurance costs. 2. How to use the MetLife Quote Portal. Step 1. Visit the MetLife Quote Portal on the official MetLife website. Step 2. Choose the type of insurance you want a quote for, e.g., life, dental, vision, disability, or auto. Step 3. Enter relevant details such as age, health status, coverage preferences, and location. Step 4. The portal processes the information and generates an estimated insurance quote. Step 5. Review the quote, compare different plans, and decide on the best policy before proceeding with an application. Third types of insurance available on the portal. The MetLife Quote Portal provides quotes for multiple insurance types, including term life, whole life, dental, vision, disability, and auto insurance. This allows users to explore various coverage options and bundle policies for potential savings. 4. Benefits of using the MetLife Quote Portal. The portal offers a quick and hassle-free way to obtain insurance estimates, saving time and effort compared to traditional quoting methods. It enables users to compare multiple plans side by side, customize coverage levels, and get a clear understanding of expected costs before making a decision. 5. Limitations of the MetLife Quote Portal. While the portal provides an estimated quote, the final premium may vary based on additional underwriting reviews, medical examinations, and employer-based coverage options. It's important to verify the final price and policy details before purchasing insurance. The MetLife Quote Portal makes it easy for individuals and businesses to explore insurance options and find the best coverage for their needs. Click on the link in the description below to find out if you're paying too much for insurance.